Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and I'm going to show you how to operate the shift lock release on the shifter here. Now the shift lock is there to stop you accidentally knocking it from park into reverse, neutral or drive, or equally a passenger. Now because of this, the driver has to be in the driver's position with their foot firmly on the brake for you to actually operate the shifter. Now that mechanism can break, or you may not have any power to the car, so there may be instances where you need to move the shifter from the park position into neutral, say for instance to tow the car. Now to do this you are going to need either a flat screwdriver or a small key. So I've got a flat screwdriver here, and just to show you. Now most Toyotas actually say shift lock down here on the shifter, but this one doesn't. But if you look just in front, you'll see that slot there. And that's where we're going to go ahead and actually pop in our flat screwdriver. I had actually loosened this one before because it is a bit tight and it's hard to do one-handed when filming. So now you can actually see that hole's there, and I have just put that plastic clip safe because we're going to need to use that later on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and push that down in there, and that allows me to move the shifter into the neutral position, and then we can go ahead and tow the car. Once you've parked it up, you're just going to move that straight back into park, and then that shift lock's going to come straight back on and not allow you to move the shifter until the time that someone else has push something back into that shift lock release and allows you to move that into whatever position you need. So there you go, just make sure when you're parked up that goes straight back into park. We're going to go ahead and get our plastic clip and push that back in, just making sure no dust or dirt gets down there. And there you go, that's how easy it is to operate the shift lock release on a 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.